Maybe if you walk the straight path and start reporting the news like the courts do, that's why I win the cases, because you're only saying nonsense to the public. I am telling you it's a big fat lie. You are lying when you said you went for a Stokvel interview to do Stokvel study cases. This is all a setup. You're lying, Debbie. Debbie, you are lying, and we're going to prove it in court. I don't believe you are well after what you've done to me. You are lying to the public. If he cannot prove that there's a Stokvel, and he doesn't prove it because we're taking him to court, that means you're a liar. Oh, please, man, you don't know the facts. Were you in court? And you told the whole South Africa, you know what the consequences was of that? Have you got any idea what you did? I would like to tell you. Because of those lies, okay?
You must do what you need to do.
I am.
And I will do what I need to do.
No, but your stuff is false. And I agree with free speech as long as it's truthful. If it's a lie, it's not. You said this property is not registered, it's not. After I gave you all the evidence that everything is legit, you still reported it like that, didn't you? That this thing is not real. You did. You did. With your fake news, you do. 13th of August, you started talking about the Stokvel, which is a blatant lie. You've got no legal knowledge. You talk about the law as if you know, but you don't know. But that shows you how bad your reporting is. You